till his bones begin to crack. I eat a dozen T-bones for my early morning snack. So imagine what I could do to you.
I've overcome every obstacle that has ever been put in my way. All except one. And I just can't beat him.
Got it, that's it! Eddie Ryan passed out!
So maybe it's time for the lion to die.
It's time to break some tables,
when the day is dawning.
Of course I'm ready. The big
On a
question is,
Texas
are the superstars
Sunday
ready?
morning,
Because if they're not,
how
they're
I
likely to
long
find
to be
themselves
there.
full of splitters.
with Marie who's waiting for me there. Every lonely city where I hang my hat ain't as half as big.
No more talking behind each other's backs. Now they are face to face.
And pretty soon, fist to fist. Point of the elbow, nailed it. Irish whip. Oh, clothesline. What a stomp.
Good grief. Woo-wee.
Irish whip.
Oh, man, what a boot.
Oh, man.
Oh, so much damage inflicted.
He's starting to stagger a bit. He's going to need to find a way to fire back.
Hey, you're going to absorb some punishment in a wrestling match. Wow. It just goes along with the territory, and he knows that. I doubt he's all that concerned at this point.
I know it's early, but he has to do everything in his power not to let this get out of hand.
Focused attack on the back. Vicious knee.
Torturous knee.
Oh, nasty impact.
Looks like he's starting to falter. Looks to me like he's starting to feel the pressure, guys.
I don't think this is how he envisioned this tables match playing out, guys. At this point, unless something changes, I don't see how he has much of a chance.
Clothesline! Takes him down. In a major way, too.
There are so many different ways for a superstar to put their opponent through the table in a tables match. Some matches start off as wild brawls and a table is brought out from under the ring in the match's opening minutes. In others, superstars are very strategic about when they bring out a table because they know if they're not careful, momentum can be reversed and they could end up being the one who goes through a table.
Byron, you talked about he's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole. Nailed it.
Watch out!
Oh, what impact.
You want to talk about WWE Hall of Famers taking things to the extreme? The first time many fans saw somebody put through a table was in 1984. Randy Macho Man Savage drove Ricky Morton of the Rock and Roll Express through a table with a pile driver at the Mid-South Coliseum.
Corey, I remember seeing photos of that horrible scene in wrestling magazines. The pile driver was utilized when Terry Funk planted Nature Boy Ric Flair on a table at WCW's Wrestle War 89 pay-per-view. And something happened in sports entertainment. Oh, my God! This table match and its carnage is over.
When the day is dawning on a Texas Sunday morning, how I long to be there with Marie who's waiting for me there. Every lonely city where I hang my hat just half as pretty as where my baby's at. Is this the way to Amarillo? Every night I've been hugging my pillow, dreaming dreams of Amarillo and sweet Marie Louise.
Matches coming up here. But I can assure you these two superstars will wait all day to get their hands on each other. And we're underway. Looking at these two men, I don't think there's going to be anything traditional about this one-on-one matchup.
If you haven't hit record yet, now might be a good time to do that. These guys are going to have a match you'll want to watch over and over again.
Ooh, what impact. Uh-oh, no, don't do this. Oh my God, right to the gut. Targeting the chest, very effective. Oh, look at just... Oh, what a nasty, nasty move.
Beautiful technique. What a stomp. Good grief. Irish whip. Quick thinking to avoid that one. He's got him covered. An easy kick out there. Too early for that. This might be it. Oh, my. Ooh, what an upper. Not today. What's this? What a driver. Real quick reminder, guys, there are no disqualifications and no countouts in this one. Anything is legal. Oh, and there are enough weapons under the ring to fill an armory. He's got the shoulders down. Digging deep for a kick out. Might have slipped there, Cole. Big boot. As Corey mentioned, there's a treasure trove of weapons under the ring. Everything from kendo sticks to steel chairs to fire extinguishers. Look at this. Not enough to end this one. So resourceful. Going all the way up. Look at this. Looks like he's starting to sweat now. With these two guys, we all knew this was going to be an all-out battle.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves, Cole. This is just a little bump in the road for him.
His shoulders are down. It's going to take more than that to keep him down. Not yet. Harsh impact. Oh, hang on for dear life. You gotta believe this one's over. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. No, he reverses it. What are we going to see here? Oh, that was pretty. This could be it. What impact. The cover.
As we've seen in the past, Extreme Rules matches create a type of hysteria that's difficult to describe, even more difficult to contain.
He's looking at it. Somebody get the hose. This guy's on fire. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Here he goes. I'd have to agree with what Byron said. Harsh impact. He goes for the cover. Oh, how resilient was that? I'm just as shocked as everyone else. His opponent included. Now look at this, guys. Let the end games begin. Guys, you never know what you're going to see in a match like this. If you need proof of that, one, two, kick out at two. Oh, that may have been a slow count.
How did he do that?
And down with authority.
I think I felt the ground shake on that one.
As Corey mentioned, Daniel Bryan. Uh-oh, full Nelson. Reverse STO. The shoulders are down. One, two. Wow, I can't believe he had the energy to kick out of that. It's going to take more than that. This has been a rule. Nailed it.
yours truly, the model, Jey Russo. If you've been paying attention to, you would have saw on Sunday, I completed the 10B Ironman. And what does that mean? It means that I swam 2.4 miles, cycled 112 miles, and then ran a marathon. And I saw your responses, and I just want to say, a big who cares? Do you honestly think I need your support? You people, I did an Ironman. You guys can barely make it up a flight of stairs. And to Kid Cymru and Titan, you can put up all your bodybuilding pictures, but that's not impressive. You're no Iron Men, like the model Jey Russo. And I would like to declare myself, today, the world's first ever Iron Model.
Cause you're only a man, and a man's got to learn to take it. Try to believe, though the going gets rough, that you gotta hang tough to make it. History repeats itself, try and you succeed. Never doubt that you're the one, and you can have your dream. You're the best around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around. And nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down.
And his opponent from Swansea, Wales, weighing in at 206 pounds, the motor, Jey Rose O.
It's last man standing time, guys. And Byron, what makes a match like this so dangerous?
Think about what superstars must do to keep their opponent down for a 3 count, Michael. Now increase that number to 10. That's what makes a last man standing match so dangerous.
And there's the bell. And here we go. This is the type of battle that you can show someone who's new to our brand of entertainment and say, this is what WWE's all about.
I don't think we're going to see too many headlocks or arm bars in this one, guys. Those might work in a traditional match, but not in an environment like this.
Oh, that's unnecessary. Back in from the floor. Ooh, what impact. Irish whip. Oh, right to the body. That hurt. Oh, look at this. Wow, elbow! Beautiful technique. He
He's starting to stumble here.
Man.
I fully expect him to bounce back, though. This is the type of one-on-one atmosphere where he thrives.
Yeah, but it looks to me like he still has plenty of energy in that body pitch. I wouldn't look too much into this right now.
It's no secret, guys, that the last man standing match tests a superstar like no other contest. Nowhere else do the rules dictate you must decimate your opponent so much that they cannot answer the count of 10.
The thing about the unique rules of this match, as Michael was saying, is that superstars will go to amazing extremes to keep their opponents down for a 10 count.
No, that's the truth, Saxton. Last man standing has definitely resulted in some unique usage of everything from weapons to pay-per-view sets and everything in between.
You gotta believe this one's over.
He's starting to show signs of fatigue, but he's very aware of who he's in there with and what he has to do to rebound.
Yeah, but we all know how tough he is, Cole. It's going to take a steamroller to keep him down for the 10 count.
He seemed more motivated than ever heading into this match, which makes me think he still has plenty of fight left in him.
He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
I'm no mathematician, guys, but by my calculations, a last man standing match is more than 3 times as brutal as a traditional match. After all, you only need to keep your opponent down for a 3 count in a traditional match.
We will go on.
Big backdrop.
What a strike! Takes him down.
In a major way, too.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
This match ain't over yet.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
He's on his heels. He'll need to find a way to turn things around here.
This last man standing match has clearly taken its toll on him, but I wouldn't count him out just yet. I'm sure he has something up his sleeve.
Don't write him off just yet, guys. From what I see, these guys are pretty evenly matched at this point. Backbreaker flawlessly executed.
Avoids trouble there.
These guys are giving it absolutely everything they've got.
2, 3, 4,
Another amazing singles contest. These two never cease to entertain the WWE Universe.
6.
Not over yet.
Oh my God, a clothesline!
These competitors are absolutely destroying each other in an attempt to be the last man standing. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Headlock. Oh, and a cheap shot right above the eye. Big backdrop.
He looks absolutely exhausted. This is not where he wants to be at this point in this match.
Oh, man, he has plenty of reason to be concerned here, guys. But you know what? So does his opposition. This is about as close as it gets.
2,
An amazing match so far, guys, but it looks to me like we're possibly nearing the end here.
7,
And the beat goes on.
That'll hinder your modeling career. This is not the place where you want to underestimate your competition.
Absolutely not.
Nice job getting out of the way of that one.
Nasty impact.
2, 3.
These superstars wearing the wounds right now of what has been an absolutely thrilling matchup.
6, 7, 8.
And this match is going to continue.
Incredible impact. Man, let the ref do his job.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Chaos, melee, pandemonium.
6, 7, 8.
This match ain't over yet.
What a hellaciously physical match these gladiators have put themselves through. The intensity of this has been incredible.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Boy, this has just been pandemonium.
Yes! Unreal performance.
And here's a look back at some of the action from the previous match.
Here is your winner, the Motor, Jay Rose.
This should be an incredible matchup. I mean, both men have extensive offensive repertoires, lasting endurance, and an insatiable appetite to be number one.
Guys, this cell is absolutely gigantic. Just looking at it makes me happy I'm retired.
Hammerlock applied. Oh, no, no. Uh-oh. Oh, it's gonna break an arm.
Oh, man. Gosh, why?
What a forearm.
He's looking banged up here, guys. And it looks like things are about to get even worse.
Harsh impact.
He's starting to feel it here. He's really going to need to create some space for himself.
This is all part of the process, guys. He knew he would take on some offense here tonight. He just has to make sure he keeps it to a minimum.
Guys, we all know the storied history of Hell in a Cell, but we'd be remiss if we didn't at least mention that the first time anybody laid eyes on this demonic structure was back in October 1997 at the Bad Blood pay-per-view. Oh, nasty impact. This might be it.
Oh, my.
Reflecting again on the first time we saw the Hell in a Cell structure, I don't think anybody at the time could have envisioned the truly merciless moments this structure would provide over the years.
And amazingly, Michael, those moments somehow become more and more barbaric with each passing match.
Beautiful technique.
And he's heading back in.
Here's the cover. He's a long way from a 3 count, I can tell you that.
Might have slipped there, Cole. Guys, I think it needs to be said that, yes, while we all are enjoying watching this match, you cannot deny the real dangers these superstars are presented with here tonight.
Drop down, leapfrog. I have to agree with what Byron was saying about the dangers of Hell in a Cell. The truth is that superstars change forever after competing in this demonic structure.
For once, I agree with both of you. The fact of the matter is that tonight will likely be the most demanding night of these.
There's a pin down.
It's going to take a lot more than that to keep him down.
Not yet.
Fast reflexes.
Oh, man!
Cravat locked in. He's got him covered. And there's the kick out. Not yet. Now the old vicious head crank.
Look at the torque.
Oh my goodness, this hurts. Oh!
Gentlemen, I think we can all agree that we've seen some pretty special moments over the years. But for me, few are more special than getting the opportunity to call the first ever women's Hell in a Cell match back in October of 2016.
We're seeing two outstanding athletes looking to prove their dominance in there, but only one can walk out victorious. Who will it be?
Recalling that first ever women, he might have it. Is he done? breaks out.
He's not done just yet, Michael.
Across the shoulders. Samoan driver. He's going for the pin. This could be it. No, a kick out.
Oh, man, I don't know who to root for.
Call your friends, let them know what's going on right now in this Austin. For the pin and the win! Stinging deep for a kick out. Hey, I guess you never know. When this guy's on, look out. Guys, we oftentimes talk about the dangers of competing inside Hell in a Cell. But let's not forget these competitors aren't the only ones in there. It could be just as dangerous for the official as well.
Really targeting the back on that one. Oh, boy, he is rolling. Going for it all here.
He's got the shoulders down. 2, and he kicks out.
So resourceful.
What a hellaciously physical match these gladiators have put themselves through. The intensity of the slam.